Guiding Values of the Indian Constitution. Philosophy of our Constitution. To understand the philosophy of our Constitution, we need to understand the preamble to our Constitution. In a Constitution, a short statement about its basic values is called the preamble to the Constitution. The key words in the preamble of the Constitution of India are: "We the people of India" means that the Constitution was drawn and enacted by the people of India through their representatives. It was not handed down by any king or an outside power. Sovereign. Sovereignty means that India is a free country and no external power can dictate the government of India. The British had proposed a dominion state for India, which meant it would have been a country under the British monarchy. The Constituent Assembly rejected the idea and preferred full freedom. Socialist. The Indian socialism is based on generation of wealth by the society and sharing of wealth equally by the society. The government reduces socio-economic inequality by regulating the ownership of land and industry. Secular. India does not have any official state religion. Citizens are free to follow any religion or faith. The government treats all religious beliefs and practices with equal respect. Democratic. In this form of government, people enjoy equal political rights and elect their leaders. The government, run according to some basic rules, is accountable to its citizens. Guiding Values of the Indian Constitution. Republic. It means that President of India, who is the head of the state, is an elected person. It is not a hereditary position. Justice. The government would not discriminate between citizens on the basis of caste, religion, and gender. It would work for the welfare of poor and oppressed to eliminate social inequalities. Liberty. Citizens are granted full freedom to express their opinions and act in a way suitable to them. Equality. All are equal before the law, regardless of their socio-economic conditions. The government shall ensure equal opportunity for all. Fraternity. Each citizen should respect the spirit of brotherhood. No one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior. Institutional design. A constitution is not just a statement of values and philosophy. It is about incorporating these values in institutional arrangements. It was felt that the Constitution must be in keeping with the aspirations of the people and changing society. Thus, a provision for constitutional amendments was made. The Indian Constitution lays down a procedure as to how a government can be formed. It defines the extent of powers enjoyed by various organs of the government. It also provides some rights to the citizens which cannot be violated by the government.